So if the machine's been shut down for a long time and it's gotten to more or less room temperature, when it first starts heating up, you'll have asterisks down here. Now sometimes that can indicate there's a problem, there's an open. But in this case, it's just heating up from a really cold start. And once it gets to 100 degrees short of the set point, that asterisk will go away. You can see there's alarms here set at the bottom. If it goes plus or minus more than 10 degrees above or below where it's trying to get to the set point, it will go into an alarm. Each pink box indicates power flowing to the heater band to try to get it up to this set point. Each heater band has a set point. These are the actual temperatures. So you can see it's either going to be flashing in pink or hold in pink to try to apply more heat. But they don't stay on the entire time. You'll burn them up if you just leave them on. Got three-phase power running through there. You can see we're getting pretty close. A few more degrees. See? It cleared it. Getting nice and hot in there. It's a new heater band right there. Found a bad one during the monthly PM.